This is a review of the 3 light vanity fixture that we're going to be doing a unboxing and pretty much opening it up to show you guys what you get in this package. And without going further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get in this package and pretty much show you guys the how this custom lighting for your bathroom looks like. Okay, so this is all the stuff that you get from the package, and you can see it comes with the hardware that you need to install it. It also comes with the instruction manual guide as well too, and it pretty much also comes with this as well too. This is also the hardware that goes with it as well too, and I do like the fact that this is extremely lightweight, and I do love how it also tilts as well too. So you can have the lighting like go up like that, and you can have this one like this, and pretty much like move them around and maneuver them pretty much to however you want your your lighting output to look like. So you can have it facing down, you can have it facing this way, or you can have it facing up as well too. But yeah, these are extremely high quality lighting, and these are probably like one of the best ones that I got so far. And I do want to mention that these are also, they're like over a 6K white type of a vanity lighting, and pretty much it's adjustable. Like I mentioned, you could, it's pretty much the lighting on each one of these 3. You could twist it and move them and maneuver them however you want it. And they're 24-inch in size, and the installation looks very simple. All I see in the back side of this when I flip it over is a negative and a positive out the cables that you pretty much have to go with. The negative goes with negative, positive goes with positive, and right from there it should turn on and look fantastic. But yeah, this was pretty much an unboxing and a review about them. I overall would highly recommend these lighting because of how it's super easy to pretty much like installing them doesn't look too hard either, even though I haven't pretty much installed it yet. But I love the fact that it's extremely high quality and it looks very durable, and I love the fact that they move around too. The light, I thought, when I got it, I thought it just didn't move around or just stood in one place, but I like the fact that they move to however you want it. But yeah, I would highly recommend this product if you're looking for a new lighting output for your bathrooms. Then these ones are probably one of the best ones that you could get.